Children, let us continue the chapter Statistics. The exercise 3 is continued. The sixth question. What is that sixth question? 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. Here there are two columns. One is for the number of letters in terms of class interval. Second is the number of surnames, that is the frequency. Here what is given? 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained here. Here 1 to 4 letters are 6 surnames are having 1 to 4 letters, and 30 surnames are having 4 to 7 letters. 40 surnames are having 7 to 10 letters, and 16 surnames are having 10 to 13 letters, and 4 surnames are having 13 to 16 letters, and 4 surnames are having 16 to 19 letters. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames, and also find the mean number of letters in the surnames, and also find the modal size of the surname. Here we have to find mean, median and mode. Now let us find the median. To find the median, one more column is required, that is for the cumulative frequency. Now let us have the 3 columns to find the median. Take here number of letters is for the first column, and number of surnames, that is F, and cumulative frequency, that is CF. Now the class intervals are given 1 to 4 and frequency also given. Next we have to find out the cumulative frequency. First when you write, that is 6. Next 6 plus 30, 36. 36. 36 plus 40, that is 76. 76 plus 16, 92. 92 plus 4, 92 plus 4 is 96. 96 plus 4 is 100. Here 100 surnames were randomly taken, so n equals 100 you take. N equals 100. Then to find the median class, you take n by 2, that is 50. And nearer greater to 50 is 76. Then you take the class 7 to 10. Here 76 is a CF of the class 7 to 10. Therefore 7 to 10 is a median class. So you take 76 is nearer greater to 50. Therefore the median class is 7 to 10. Median class is 7 to 10. Now you take that class and the lower limit of that class for the median. Then you write L here. The L is 7 and F is 40 and CF is 36. CF is 36. Now you write one by one. Then you write L equals 7 and H is the size of the class, that is 10 minus 7 equals 3. Then lower limit of the class L you have taken, and we have to take next F. F and CF. CF is 36. CF is 36, F is 40. So you write CF equals 36 and F equals 40. CF is 36, F is 40. Then you write the formula. Median equals median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. L is 7. 7 plus n by 2 is, n is 100, you take 100 by 2 minus CF. CF is 36, F is 40 and H is 3. Here H is 3 and L is 7 you have taken, and n by 2 is, n is 100. Here n is 100, n by 2 is 100 by 2, and CF is 36 we have taken, and F is 40. Then you write 7 plus 100 by 2 is 50 minus 36 by 40 into 3. Then median equals 7 plus 50 minus 36 is 50 minus 36 you take, that is 14 by 40 into 3 that equals 7 plus 2 7s are 2 20s are, you will get 21 by 20. Then you divide 21 by 20, then you will get 21s are 20, 1 is remaining, then point you put 0, so you will get 1.05, that is 7 plus 1.05 equals 8.05. The median number of letters in the surname is median number of letters in the surname is 8.05. Now you got the median. Now let us find the mean. To find the mean, here the columns are first CI, that is for the number of letters. Next frequency, that is F. Next you take class mark, here Fi, Xi, and then we have to find the product of Fi and Xi. Then find the class mark of each class. You know how to find the class mark, that is sum of upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. The average of the upper limit and lower limit. First one is 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. Next 4 plus 7 divided by 2. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 by 2 is 5.5. Or otherwise here size of the class you can add here, that is 3. Size of the class is 4 minus 1 3, that you can add to get the class mark of the next class. Otherwise, as usual method, find the average of the upper limit and lower limit. 7 plus 10 17. 17 divided by 2 is 8.5, and 10 plus 13 divided by 2, 23 divided by 2, 23 divided by 2 is, that is 11.5. Next 13 plus 16 divided by 2, 13 plus 16 is 29, 29 divided by 2 is 14.5, to write 14.5. Next 16 plus 19 divided by 2, 16 plus 19 is 35, 35 divided by 2 is 17.5, 17.5, or otherwise 2.5 plus 3 is 5.5, 5.5 plus 3 is 8.5, 8.5 plus 3 is 11.5, 11.5 plus 3 is 14.5, 14.5 plus 3 is 17.5. You can add the size of the class, that is h. Next you find then 6 into 2.5. Know that 5 6 are 30, 3 6 2 are 12 plus 3 15. You got 15.0. Then 30 into 5.5, that is 5 3s are 5 3s are 15, 1 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. Got. Next 40 into 8.5, 4 5s are 20, 4 8s are 32 plus 2 34, 340.0. Next 16 into 11.5, 16 5s are 80, and 16 on the 16 plus 8 24, 16 on the 16 plus 2 18, 184 you got. Next 4 into 14.5, that is 4 5s are 20, and 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18, and 4 on the 4 plus 1 5 you got. Next 4 into 17.5, 4 5s are 20, and 17 4s are 68 plus 2 70 you will get. Now find summation of fi and summation of fi xi. Summation of fi xi. So you write 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 8 22, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 8 22, 22 plus 4 26, 26 plus 6 32, 32 plus 1 33. Then 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8 you will get. 832 you got here. Now use the formula for x bar, that is for mean. X bar equals summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi, that is x bar equals 832 divided by sigma fi. Sigma fi is how much? That you know, that is 100. So you got by 100, that equals 8.32. The mean is 8.32 you got here. Next to find the mode, here we have to identify the maximum frequency. What is the maximum frequency? 40 is the maximum frequency. So 40 is the frequency of the class 7 to 10. Therefore the modal class is 7 to 10. So you take maximum frequency is 40. 40 is a frequency of 40 is a frequency of the class 7 to 10. 7 to 10. Then you write the formula. Mode equals L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So you get f1, f0 and f2. So what is f1 here? That is the frequency of the modal class f1. f1 is 40. f0 is the frequency of the previous class, that is 30. And f2 is the frequency of the next class, that is 60. Then what is L? L is the lower limit of the modal class. Then you write, therefore L equals lower limit of the modal class, and h is the size of the class, that is 10 minus 7 equals 3. And f1 is 40, and f0 is 30, f2 is 16. f2 is 16. Then you write mode equals L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h, that equals 7 plus f1 is 40 minus f0 is 30 by f2 f1 is 2 into 40 minus f0 is 30 minus f2 is 16 into h is 3. Then you write 7 plus 40 minus 30 is 10 by 240 is 80. 80 minus sum of these two is 30 minus 16 is 46 into 3, that equals 7 plus 10 3s are 30. You can write 30 by 80 minus 46 is 34. Then 2 15s are 2 17s are, you will get 7 plus 15 by 17. 15 divided by 17, put 0 and point, and here you will get 17 8s. 17 8s are 136, that is 140. Again 8s are 136 4. So you can have 7 plus 15 by 17 is 0.88, that equals 7.88. So you take mode equals 7.88. You got median is 8.05 and mean is 8.32 and mode is 7.88. So what is median? Median is 8.05. Mean is, you got 8.32. Then mode is 7.88. Now the seventh question. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Here the first column is weight in kg, that is given in terms of class interval, and the frequency, that is the number of students. Now we have to find the cumulative frequency. So you take the column here. Find the cumulative frequency. First one is 2, then 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 6. 19 plus 6 is 25. 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28 plus 2. 28 plus 2 is 30. 28 plus 2 is 30. Now here n equals 30 and you find n by 2 to find the median class. N by 2 is 30 by 2 equals 15. So greater nearer is 19. So you take this one. Then you write 19 is nearer greater to 15. Therefore 55 to 60, that is 19 lies in the class 55 to 60. So you write L equals 55 and H, that is 60 minus 55, you will get 5, and F is the frequency of the modal class and CF is the frequency of the previous class. Then F is the frequency of the median class 6. CF is the cumulative frequency of the previous class. So you write CF equals 13. Then you write the formula for the median. Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, that equals 55 plus n by 2, n is 30, 30 by 2 minus CF is 13 by F is 6 into H is 5. That equals 55 into 55 plus 30 by 2 is 15, 15 minus 13 by 2, 13 by 6 into 5. That equals 55 plus 15 minus 13 is 2 by 3 into 2 by 6 into 5. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Then you will get 55 plus 5 by 3. 55 plus 5 by 3. 5 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 2. 0. So 3 6 are 18. 2. So you will get 1.66. You are going to get 6 is recurring. So you can write 1.67. Approximately you can write 55 plus 1.67. So median equals 55 plus 1.67 is 56.67. The median weight of the students is 56.67 kg. Therefore, median weight of the student is 56.67 kg.